let us now subtract integers. First, let us have a recall. So, recall adding integers having the same sign. So, that is negative 12. So, negative 12 is the same sign. Add their absolute values, get their common sign. Okay, 8 plus 7 is 15. Okay, the same sign is, their common sign is positive. So, that is positive 15. Okay, negative 8 plus 10. Different sign. So, you take away 8 in 10. So, what is left is 2. Positive 2. Okay, another is 8 plus or negative 8 plus 5. Okay, so you take away 5, negative 5 from negative 8. So, that is negative 3. Or you simply subtract 8 and 5. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then get the sign of the number with bigger absolute value. So that's how to add integers having the same sign and different sign. So kailangan na master nyo to bago tayo mag-proceed sa addition. Subtraction. Now let us have the subtraction of integers. First, you have to, at the end, you have to follow the rule in adding integers. So that's why you have to master the addition of integers. Kasi subtracting integers is just like adding integers. First, you have to follow these 3 steps. For example, negative 5 minus negative 6. Okay? First, keep the sign of the minuend. So this is the minuend and this is the subtrahend. Okay? Then, change minus to a plus sign, minus, plus. Change the sign of the subtrahend. So the subtrahend is negative 6. So, that will become positive 6. Then, follow the rule in adding integers. So, the rule is, when they have different signs, subtract their absolute value, 6 minus 5. Then, get the sign of the number with bigger absolute value. So, that is positive 1. Okay? So, that's it. It's like addition. First, you have to follow this. Keep, change, change. Okay? Okay, let us discuss some examples in subtracting integers. Okay? Negative 9 minus 4. Just like our step, just keep the minuend, change minus to a plus sign, then get the opposite of the subtrahend or change the sign of the subtrahend. So, positive 4 magiging negative 4. Then, proceed to addition. So, we are adding numbers having the same sign. So, all we have to do is to add their absolute values. 9 plus 4 is 13. Then, get their common sign. Example number 2, we have 9 minus negative 7. Okay? So, again, keep the minuend, change minus to a plus sign, change the sign of the subtrahend, or we get the opposite of the subtrahend. So, proceed to addition. 9 plus 7 is 16. That's it. Example number 3. Negative 5 minus negative 8. Negative 5 minus negative 8. Negative 5 minus negative 8, we have keep the minuend, change minus to a plus, change the sign of the subtrahend. Then, follow the rule in addition. We are now adding 2 integers having different sign. So, all we have to do is to subtract their absolute values. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then, we get the sign of the number with bigger absolute value, positive. Example number 5, 6 minus 10. Okay? 6 minus 10. 6 minus 10, keep the sign of the minuend. Minus to a plus sign. Positive 2, positive 10 to negative 10. Then, proceed to the rule in addition. So, we have 6 plus negative 10. That is negative 4. Another, last number, we have 16 minus 7. This is just a common subtraction. In your elementary, what is 16 minus 7? Okay, so that is 9. Okay, you don't need to do these steps in this two positive, subtracting two positive integers or whole numbers. Okay, just use the common sense. Okay, these are all the 5 types of problem that you may encounter in subtraction of integers. Okay, so again, the rule is keep the sign of the minuend or keep the minuend, change minus to a plus sign, then get the opposite of the subtrahend, and then follow the rule in addition.